What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. And please don't mind me if I made some mistakes in my English, because English is not my native language. So today I will be showing you how to edit in Lightroom Pc a smooth brown, soft brown color, and you can also make a preset so you can add to your phone or your PC. So I just download these random pictures from the internet so I can show you how it looks on different image, because some images are brighter, some are darker, so sometimes you might want to change exposure, but you will see. So I will begin with this picture, so I'm just gonna hide this so you can see a clear picture here. So we're gonna start with the temperature. So with the temperature, you are going to add +12, and the tint you're gonna just add +1. For the exposure, you can now leave it to 0, but as I previously said, some pictures are darker, so once you have that preset on your phone or your PC and have a darker image, you can just like slightly move it. So the next one is highlights. So for the highlights, we're gonna go -67. And then for the shadows, we're gonna go +55. The whites, we are going -31. The blacks, we are going +36. Okay, so the next step is clarity, vibrance, and saturation. So for the clarity, you are going +12. The vibrance is going -33. Same as saturation, also -33. So the next thing is curve. So about this, just kind of copy how I did it. So you have 1 point here, 1 point here, and 1 point here. So we're gonna start with this one right here up. So you're just gonna push it, so it should be like around 73.3. You can see those numbers here when I just move my mouse here. So that's it. So the next step is like a little bit like down, and this one also is like here, and then this you're just gonna go and put it 4.7%, so you can see that number here. Okay, so I'm just gonna correct this so I can get this waterfall. Yeah, okay, so this is kind of curve that you wanna get. So the next thing are the colors. So first we're gonna go with the hue. The red, we're gonna go -7. The orange, we're not gonna do anything with orange. The next thing is yellow. The yellow is -44. Green is -51. The next thing is blue. The blue is -42. And we're not gonna do anything with the purple and color, so leave that as a 0. So the next thing is saturation. So for the red, you're gonna go +71. And the orange, you're gonna go +65. Yellow, we're gonna go +18. And green, we are going to go -100. So it's like shut it down, just leave them as a 0. So the next thing is luminance. So we're not gonna do anything with red, we're gonna do it with orange. We're gonna put -11 on orange. On a green, we're gonna do +100, and on aqua we're gonna go -80. So we finished with the colors. The next thing is sharpening. So you can see here the sharpening amount is going to be 21. The noise reduction is also 21, and the color over here is gonna be 27, and that is gonna be it. So I'm just gonna copy these, right click, develop settings, copy settings. So this is gonna mark everything you've been working on. So just click copy and then go to the next image, right click on it, develop settings, face settings, so you can see how it looks here. So next one is this one. Wow, I'm loving this one. Okay, so the next one is this one. I think this one's gonna be a little bit darker, I'm not sure. So you can actually go, just as I already told you, like a little bit exposure to it. Next picture is this one. Face settings. This really looks cool, and I love the photographer that did this with me. So the next one is this one. It's really simple. It should not be like any different. Yeah, it's really cool. Okay. So let's check it out how this turns out. This color, it just brightens up my mood. Okay, so the last picture is this one. Wow, now that looks very different, as you can see before and after. So I'm gonna show you with each before and after how it looks like, so you can see the color. This picture maybe needs a little bit exposure to it, just like that, and it looks great. And also this picture might need some exposure, like that. Yes, that's great. Okay, so the next picture is this one. This picture is absolutely adorable with this preset. I'm loving it. It's so smooth. Okay, so next picture. I'm loving this picture, okay? This is really cool. Maybe I'll just put the shadows more, just like more, so his face, as you can see, his face was like that, so we can butt it up a little bit and it looks awesome. And the last picture and the first will be this one. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you loved it. I will put down the link for the mobile preset and for the PC preset. So now I'm just gonna go and show you how to install presets on your mobile phone in Lightroom and on your PC. So check it out. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how to import the preset into the Lightroom PC. So here is the file that you have downloaded. I've put the link down in description. So you go to Lightroom, then you have all the pictures here, and you just go here where are the presets. You right click on it and go new folder, so you can name it new presets and create. So you right click on that and you go to import, and you're gonna import this that you have downloaded. So import it, and then you have it there. So when you click on it, there you go, that is your preset. So these are some other random pictures with the same preset, so you can see how they look. It's really cool. It's really like beige and pale and soft. So this photo is really white. Let's see how this turns out. It's really cool. But I also put like more maybe shadows, so the fruits are gonna like pop out. The next picture is this one. Wow, it's really great. And the last picture, this one. So there you go, you just made your own preset. Okay guys, so now I will be showing you how to import preset on your mobile phone into the Lightroom. So you go to a drive where I have sent the link for this photo here. You just click on it and download it. So you go to the Lightroom now. And you see here it says albums, so you go and create new album. So you can name it preset. You go in there, you press this add image and you go to device. So now you find the picture that I have sent you, so in this picture here. So you open that image and you up here you have these 3 points. So you go to copy settings and click OK. You go back and back and you go to all photos. You go in any photo you want. Also you here have 3 points. You just go and click paste settings and that is your preset. I'm just gonna show you on a couple pictures more. Go and try with this one here. So you also go to 3 points and paste settings, and this is it. This is your picture. This is before and this is after, and you can do that on any picture you want. You can try on this one too. Paste settings. So this is the photo now, and let's try another one. So also go and paste settings. So that's about it guys.